got hurricane and tornado. Look, smoke now. And we're going to have a lot of problems. There's going to be outages for days on end. Surfers behind me. Surfers are... Debris in the roadways. Hold on, I'm getting more info. What? Mayor Bloomberg has just closed schools down for the month. Steve Ballone is going to be meeting with us in a little while for a press conference. Aaron Cole is live in Long Beach.